Okay, today I'm going to do a little unboxing video of Vantrue's Element 1 dash cam. Get this plastic off here first. Well, that's a tight fit. Okay, appears we have a paper. This is what's in the box. If I can just get it out. Holy crap. There we go, now we're getting somewhere. Not quite sure what all these things are yet. Small little guy. And here, I'm sure, is your power cord. And charging cord. Not quite sure. And this is the mount. This is a pretty crappy video, I know, because I don't know what I'm doing. It's a small little guy, isn't it? We have quite a long cable for power into your car. That's nice because you can tuck in the wire everywhere. Wow, look how thick the user manual is. My goodness. Oh, I see. Some of it's in English and some of it isn't. And lens cleaning cloth. And a sticker for your car to let people know that your car is protected. Not quite sure what these two protective covers are for just yet. I'll have to read that. I'm not quite sure what this tool is. I know I'm not giving a very good video here, am I? Sorry about that. Okay, there's the camera. Kind of small, but nice, you can hide it. And I'm going to stop the video here so I can charge this up and I'll get back to you.